children gather round. Can you feel the beat? Such a happy sound. Learning can be fun, you see. Won't you come away and dream with me? Sha-na-na-na-na, 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 sha-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na, 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 na-na-na-na. Cooped Up with Callie.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooped Up with Callie. I'm Callie. I'm so excited for our episode today because today we're going to learn all about the calendar. Do you know what a calendar is? A calendar is a way to keep track of your month, days, and years. Let's take a look. I have this big calendar. Whoa! It is so big. Oof. Okay. Can you see it? Can you see me? Okay, so you can find calendars anywhere. You can get big calendars or little calendars. I have a big one so I can keep track of everything. Okay, let's look through it. This calendar has all of the months of the year and it has the days of the year. So there's January. Whoa, so big. February. Whoa. March. Wow, this is huge. Whew. April. Wow. Wow, that's a big calendar. Let's find a smaller one. Here's the calendar. You have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. In January, that is the first month of the year, and that's what we are in right now. It is January of the year 2022. That's a lot of twos. 2022. Whoa. So what you can do with the calendar is write down all of your important events. On a calendar, you start with January and you end with December. January is the first month of the year. December is the 12th month of the year. 12 is the last month of the year, and 1 is the first month of the year. Every single month has either 31 days or 30 days. 31 days or 30 days. Okay, let's look. January on my big calendar has 31 days. You know, I know a super cool trick to see which months have 31 days and which months have 30 days. You hold your fist up like this, and do you see your knuckles? You see those knuckles? So, you start with one knuckle. Look real good at your knuckles. You start with your first one and you go January for the first knuckle, and then you point in between your knuckles, and that's February. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And every month that ended on a knuckle has 31 days in it. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yay! So in January, it's the new year, and so many people make New Year's resolutions. Do you think by the end of January, you can still do your New Year's resolution? Yeah, you can. You can do it all year long. But it's okay if you forget. I'm gonna look through my calendar and see what big events I have. I love putting events in my calendar. Whoa, okay, it looks like I need to write some down. So, January 29th is my birthday. Do you know when your birthday is? Well, go put it on your calendar, silly. I'm going to get my trusty crowns. Ooh, what color should we use? How about purple? It matches my purple hair. Okay, on January 29th, I'm going to put my birthday. So we're gonna write Callie's birthday. Look. Whoa, that is so cool. Wow, guys, thanks for learning about calendars with me. It's a lot. There's a lot of months of the year, and there's a lot of days in the year. Whew. But there's so much fun and exciting things that happen through the year. There's winter, there's spring, there's summer, there's fall, and then it's winter again. And we wouldn't be able to have these beautiful seasons and know when they are if it wasn't for a calendar. We wouldn't know when our mom's birthdays are or when your birthday is if it wasn't for a calendar. We wouldn't know when your soccer game was if it wasn't for a calendar. So this was so much fun. I hope y'all had a good time learning with me. Bye guys, have a good day.